Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video. In this video, I will show you basic keyframe animation on CapCut PC. After that, I will demonstrate an amazing cinematic text keyframe animation step by step. I am Hafiz, and you are watching Pixel Sticker YouTube channel. So, let's jump into the video. In this video, I will show you that how you can create basic keyframes in your CapCut PC, like with PHA cinematic, text animation after completed our basic lesson, okay? And at first, I will take a input text on my timeline, type elevator, or a word like beard. This is my word, which should be animated after some time. Then, here is the present place, here is the base our text. Now I want this text to be there after some frames in our video. Like here is the present one. Then I want to fit its position automatically in there. Okay. So at first for this effect, scroll down and click on your position icon. Yes. Click on this, and after some frame, I am taking 3 frames, and click on position keyframe again, and drag your text, your destination, like my destination in there. Okay, now I will see the result. So now, if you achieve multiple keyframes in or on this text, like I want some more keyframes. First, I want my first place in there, first place for this text, and I animate it from here. And second place will be, or final place will be our middle frame. Okay. Now I'll see the result. And I can see the result. Okay. Now I will show you how you can create a cinematic text animation. But for this cinematic text animation, at first, I will take a equal text again and type my text. I am happy Assassin's Street. Here, and that text, which is I want to be animated like a cinematic view. And I will put my text in center. Click on this text and click on your right mouse button and click on this pom-pom clip. Okay. Then click on this video and click on this mask and again click on this mirror. Okay. So and after clicking on this mirror, and you need to resize or recap your timeline. I am resizing my layer and rotate it like this angle, and put it there. Put it under his position, and click on this mirror and keyframe. Okay, keyframe, and then take some frames and taking, and flip again his keyframe and drag your layer something like this, and again take some frames that again click on this keyframe and drag again, and again take some frames and click on this keyframe and drag your layer. And again, you need to continue to do this thing. Again, dragged. Again. Oops. That fifth. Our process is finished. Now, I will show you the result. Yeah, as you can see, the cinematic text. This is very cool. Look like wow.